Okay, this is an Excel spreadsheet I use in my daily work. Um, Say we want to check the change in the direct material cost, say for this SKU here. Press right click, a new item appears, press explode BOM. Okay, this is the BOM for this specific finished good, totally exploded. As you see here, this is the total material cost, the total direct material cost, which is 1.89 euros. Now, we've talked with supplier of this yarn, and he told us that the new price is gonna be 2.25. We change it here, press calculate, and look, the new total direct material cost goes up to 9.